prehistoric way of survival of the fittest, ancient monarchical royal kingship, recent Hitlers who paneled out people and politics, present day democracy of the people, modern nota the right to reject. Since the creation of this universe, lots of changes have evolved in governance. Many failed, but only few could taste the great heights of success. Nota is as good as an Indian imported Chinese product, neither in quality nor in guarantee. A very good evening to one and all present over here. Respected headmaster sir, registrar sir, worthy members of the jury, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today, it is I, Guru Prasad, representing the mighty Maroons, going to speak against the debatable topic, that is, will the introduction of nota give starting changes in Indian electoral system. Citizens are given the right to elect any candidate contesting for election. But few democracies give voters the explicit right to reject all the candidates if they find no one suitable. This is what Supreme Court calls nota. The first question asked by any typical Indian, including you all and me, is: when people do not want to vote for anyone, why will they go and vote? Standing in a long queue under scorching heat to just press the invalid button nota. Okay. Coming back in the crowded polling booths to this very own auditorium, I hope you all have seen these states since years. And every time when a person comes to speak on this podium, comes with a script either in his hand or in his pocket. Why? Has he not prepared? But no, that is not the reason. The reason is just very, very simple. No one is ever 100% perfect in this world. You, every single person on this earth commits a mistake. So, when it comes to choosing a leader, you should vote for the best among the list, who contest for the test called elections. Some of our deep funding opponents may say that including nota should be an agenda for elections in a democracy. But nota is completely toppled the meaning of democracy. For democracy to live in, we just need to elect someone. But by electing no one and choosing nota, we ourselves are paving our way for the bad governance. Nota is as useless as Aadhaar card. Some of our big opponents may say that re-election should be held if nota gets the majority of vote. But I feel pity on them that they have forgotten all the consequences. By the time re-elections are held until we get the desired results, India will get severe hyperinflation and loss. The voter turnout will surely decrease, and my dear opponents and all my dear friends, your ears will go deaf by hearing the fact that 20 rupees is spent by Election Commission to cast a vote on every person. And whose money is it? My money, your money, the taxpayers' money. Some of my worthy opponents, why some, or will surely say that nota is a key to good governance and prosperity in India, but they all are trying to fool you. Let me enlighten you all about it. Nota does not mean rejection. This may sound defeating to the whole system, but according to the Indian democracy, the rule of the first past the post wins the election. Thus, if the candidates of these two rows vote for nota and the third row votes for a candidate, the candidate wins and the nota loses. The voice of these two rows, the voice of the majority goes unheard. So nota is just useless. Presently, it is exercised only in few countries. In India, it could just get only 1.1% of the total votes. This can be blamed because of its improper mechanism. As long as moneyocracy, bureaucracy, giftocracy and manifestocracy exist in India, it will never be called a democracy. It is a rich feudalocracy. Feudals with the leaders, people with the slaves, and at last, the sufferers with the poor people. So, ladies and gentlemen, you get a chance to vote only once in 5 years. You get a loan value only once in 5 years. So, vote for hope, vote for cause, vote to create a newly developed and modified India. Thus, at last, nota can never ever give starting changes, but only and only give threatening changes. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Terima kasih.